Congratulations. Congratulations.
Hi everyone, good evening. Totoo ba sexiest? Guys, thank you so much. Nakakagulat to kasi lahat ng mga clips na lumabas sa akin sa TV, di kumakain na ako ng chips, pero thank you. Ayan, thank you so much for everyone who chose me to be part of this category. Thank you.
Ayun, magandang gabi sa lahat ulit. Kung si Dustin Yuan, wow, sexy. Wow. Anyways, maraming salamat of course sa Sparkle artist, sa GMA, sa Hunter ko na si Neds na ang aking inspirasyon sa pagiging fit. At hindi ko na rin itong chance sa pasalamatan ng aking team. Lahat team, si Jericho, si Ivor, and of course, nagpupush talaga sa akin na maging fit at inspiration ko talaga si Bianca de Vera.
Now, the moment everyone has been waiting for. These two individuals have set the industry on fire, defining what it means to be an icon of charm, confidence, and undeniable star power. And tapping this year's People's Sexiest of 2025 for both male and female goes to
Paolo Venido and Kim Chu. Congratulations mo.
Congratulations once again to everyone who made it to the People's Sexiest. Now let's move forward to our next People Award.
The People Face of the Year recognizes the personality whose beauty, charm, and undeniable presence have captured the hearts of the people, becoming a standout symbol of influence, elegance, and star quality.
The People Face of 2025 Top 3 honors both male and female.
Sabi ko na yung gusto kong sabihin kanina, pero maraming salamat sa Shake, Rattle and Roll dahil doon sa pelikulang yun ay nakuha ko itong award na to. Maraming salamat sa Eagle family, sa GMA family, at ayun, mas lalo ko pong gagalingan at magiging inspirasyon to sa akin. Thank you.
For our viewers at home, the announcement of the remaining winners under the movie category will be available through a special recorded pre-awarding segment, which will be broadcast immediately following our live event.
And now moving forward to the next
awards for this award. Honestly, the word promising feels very, very intimate to me. Number one, because it reminds me na I am still becoming. Number two, nire-remind niya rin ako na marami pa akong tatahakin sa journey ko. So, I would like to share this award to everyone who believes in what I can do sa kakayanan ko bilang isang tao, bilang isang artista, hindi bilang isang babae rin. So, thank you everyone, and of course, I would like to thank my Star Magic family, my ABS-CBN family. Maraming salamat po for your unconditional love. I would also like to share this award to my parents, Mommy, Daddy, hello. And ayun po, maraming salamat po, and thank you everyone. Have a good night.
Congratulations!
The VP Choice Awards Fandom of the Year recognizes the most passionate and dedicated fan community in the industry. This category celebrates fans who consistently show unwavering support and actively drew
Dust
Media. Congratulations!
Thank you as well to our presenters. We have Lucas and Samantha. Now for our viewers at home, Michelle being told has reached 4,500 already. 4,500 viewers for the 7th VP Choice Awards. For the viewers and the announcement of the remaining winners under the TV category,